All right, so a very interesting idea, which is on the laws of Pesach, of not noten tam, bar noten tam, or noten tam livgam. And so we have halacha that if there is something that doesn't have in and of itself a isur, something that is prohibited, rather it is included with taste of something that's prohibited, it has more leniency. So even though we know that during Pesach there is such a sensitivity and astringency for chametz, that if you had a sandwich, if you had a crumb that fell into your dish, a crumb of chametz that fell into your dish of Pesach, a small little, almost unseen little crumb that fell into your dish, and you know that there's chametz inside, you cannot eat the entire dish. But what happens if you have something that's noten tam livgam, which means that there's a taste of chametz that has been manipulated or has been obscured or has been that has been mutilated, I guess. Which means that you had a dish, you had a pot that is chametz, and instead of using your Pesach dishes or cookery to make your chicken soup for Pesach, by mistake you took a chametz pot and you made your Pesach food. And then you only realize later on, even though we cannot plan this lechatchila to begin with, but b'diavad, if it already happened for Sfaradim, again only for Sfaradim, they may eat that dish on Pesach, those that go according to the Shulchan Aruch, Maran HaShulchan Aruch. Those that go according to the Rama may not eat that dish on Pesach. That is of course only b'diavad if it already happened, but we cannot plan that. That's why we need to have our own utensils, our own cookery for Pesach, and so on and so forth. But b'diavad, as we see from Shulchan Aruch Siman Taf Mem Zayin, it is permissible. Baruch Adonai La'olam.
Amen.